In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and manage a global section within your website editor. Whether you're looking to gain consistency across all your web pages or simply streamline the editing process, global sections can be a lifesaver. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to set one up and manage it effectively. To start with, you'll want to navigate to the specific section you want to convert into a global section within your website editor. This could be a part of the header, a body section, or the footer of your page. Once you've found the section you'd like to work with, look for the More Actions icon. It's usually represented by a small menu button or 3 dots, so keep an eye out for that in the editor toolbar. Clicking on this will bring up several options, and what you want to do here is select Set as Global. After you've clicked Set as Global, you'll be prompted to choose where this section will live globally within your site, whether it will be in the header, somewhere in the middle, or down in the footer. This choice dictates where on the page the section will appear consistently. For instance, sections like navigational links typically go in the header, while a call to action might fit better in the middle section. Similarly, details like contact information might be best suited for the footer. Once you've made this choice, give your new global section a name. This naming step is crucial as it helps you easily identify and manage it later on. Now that you've set up your global section, let's talk about managing it. On the left-hand side of your editor, you'll find the Global Sections tab. Clicking on it reveals a list of all the global sections you've created. When you hover over any of these sections, the More Actions icon will appear again. Click on it to view your management options. If you need to tweak the design or content, select Edit. Remember, any adjustments here will automatically update wherever this global section is used across your site. A huge time saver for keeping your site consistent. There are additional management choices you can explore. If you want to roll out a global section to multiple pages at once, select Add To. For times when you want to create a new section based on an existing one, choose Duplicate. This can be especially useful for trying out new ideas while preserving your original section. If the name you initially chose no longer fits, or if it needs updating, simply click Rename and make your changes. And lastly, if there's a global section you decide you no longer need, Delete will remove it from your site. Just keep in mind, once deleted, that section and its content will be permanently gone. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting and managing global sections to up your web editing efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps bring unity and ease to your website management.